In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, taking care of our mental wellness often takes a back seat. But let me share a little secret with you. Mental wellness is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Picture this. A few years ago I found myself in an exhausting cycle of work, eat, sleep, repeat. I was productive but not happy. Then I realized I was neglecting my mental health. Everything changed when I decided to prioritize my mental wellness. Now imagine a checklist, a mental wellness checklist. This checklist isn't a rigid set of rules, rather a guide to help you nurture your mental wellness. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. 1. Water your mind. Just like a plant needs water to grow, your mind needs knowledge to expand. Read a book, listen to a podcast, learn a new language. Keep your mind active and engaged. 2. Sunshine moments. Spend time in nature, bask in the sunshine, feel the wind in your hair. Nature has a soothing effect on our minds and helps reduce stress. 3. Mindful munchies. Pay attention to what you eat. Nutrients contribute to mental wellness. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins into your diet. Remember, your diet impacts your mood. 4. Happiness workouts. Physical exercise doesn't just benefit your body, it also boosts your mood. Go for a run, do yoga, dance. Find a workout that brings you joy. 5. Laughter breaks. Laughter truly is the best medicine. Watch a funny movie, share a joke, reminisce about a funny incident. Lighten up your day with a dose of laughter. 6. Zen zone. Find a calm space, a place where you can relax and meditate. Even a few minutes of meditation can help reduce anxiety and stress. 7. Dreamy sleep. Sleep isn't just for your body to rest, it's also for your mind to rejuvenate. Develop a healthy sleep routine. Remember, good sleep equals good mood. 8. Adventure time. Step out of your comfort zone. Go on an adventure. Try something new. It could be something as simple as trying a new cuisine or as exciting as skydiving. Experiences stimulate our minds and make us happier. And finally, 9. You time. Take time for yourself. Do what you love. Paint, write, cook, play an instrument. Taking time for yourself helps improve your mental wellness. In conclusion, remember this. Mental wellness isn't a destination. It's a journey. The journey may be challenging, but it's also rewarding. So keep this checklist handy. Water your mind, bask in sunshine moments, eat mindful munchies, do happiness workouts, take laughter breaks, find your zen zone, get dreamy sleep, go on adventures, and don't forget to take some you time. This is your mental wellness checklist. Use it as a guide to prioritize your mental wellness.